Facebook users are currently unable to see the posts section in the search results. Normally, when you search for something on Facebook using the search bar, the results are categorized into different tabs such as all, posts, people, groups, and so on. This allows users to easily filter results based on their search keyword. However, the Posts tab is currently missing from both the app and the desktop versions. Yeah, it just got completely wiped out. I want to share a workaround that allows you to still search for posts, but take note this method works only on the web or desktop version, not on the app. So, if you're using the app on your mobile, first open your browser, log into your account, then go to the browser menu and enable desktop site. After that, follow these steps. First, enter your keyword in the search bar. In the search filters, toggle on recent posts. Next, click on the Videos tab. Under that, click Sort By, and select Most Recent. Now go to the URL bar, and replace the word Videos with Posts. Once that's done, hit Enter, and this will generate post results. That's it for now, but I'll keep you updated on any new changes regarding this issue.